Let me ask you, what's the very first thing you do when your paycheck hits your account? If your answer is spend it or pay bills, listen carefully. Because the difference between staying broke and building wealth is hidden in the first 24 hours after payday. And if you mess this up, you'll keep working paycheck to paycheck forever. Today, I'm going to show you the exact paycheck routine that wealthy people swear by, step by step. It takes less than 20 minutes each pay cycle, and if you actually follow it, you'll feel richer even if your salary never changes. And yes, we'll talk about saving, investing, debt, and even guilt-free spending money. Stick with me because step 4 changes the game completely. Welcome to Wealth Creators Hub, where we teach budgeting, debt freedom strategies, and proven wealth building tips. At the end, I'll share the biggest mistake people make the second they get paid that silently drains thousands from their bank account. If you've been doing this, don't worry, it ends today. Step 1. Pay yourself first, automatic saving. Before bills, before DoorDash, before rent, you pay yourself. At least 20% of your paycheck should move the moment you get paid, straight into a separate savings or investing account. If you don't do this, your money will disappear. Why? Because money expands to fill the space you give it. Pay yourself first, and future you thanks present you every single payday. Sounds tough? Think about this. If your boss cut 20% off your paycheck tomorrow, you'd find a way to survive. Why not do that for your future wealth instead? Step 2. Destroy your future debt before it builds. Next, throw extra money at high interest debt. Credit cards and loans are like termites, small, hidden, and they eat away at your financial foundation every single day. Even $50 extra each paycheck can slash years off repayment. That's freedom bought with today's paycheck. Imagine your next paycheck arriving, and instead of sending half of it to a credit card company, you keep it. That future is built one extra payment at a time. Step 3. Cover the must-haves, but with boundaries. Bills are next, but here's the secret. Don't just pay bills, audit them. Every paycheck, ask, am I paying for something I don't use? Subscriptions, overpriced plans, random charges, cutting just $100 per month is the same as giving yourself a $1,200 raise every year. That's money most people never notice slipping away, and you only have to do this check once a month. It's the easiest raise you'll ever get. Step 4. Create your guilt-free money. Every paycheck, set aside a fun fund. This is money you must spend on yourself. Why? Because discipline without reward collapses. This gives you balance, progress plus enjoyment. You're building wealth without living miserably. So repeat after me. Money for the future, money for bills, and money for fun. Cheat on this step and you'll self-sabotage the whole routine. Step 5. Invest before you blink. The most powerful part of this routine, automating investments. Whether it's your 401k, an IRA, or even a simple index fund, the earlier you put money to work, the harder compound growth works for you. Your money can be lazy or it can hustle while you sleep. You decide. Each paycheck, move money into assets, not just accounts. If you skip this step, you're guaranteeing your future self works harder. Do this step and your money works harder than you ever could. Remember that huge mistake I promised to tell you? Here it is. Lifestyle creep. Most people treat payday like a reason to upgrade. Better clothes, better car, better streaming, better lifestyle. But every time your income rises and your spending rises with it, you've trapped yourself in the same paycheck to paycheck hamster wheel. If you only remember one thing, it's this. Don't inflate your lifestyle, inflate your wealth. So let's recap the paycheck routine. Pay yourself first, savings/investments. Attack debt. Cover essentials smartly. Set aside guilt-free fun money. Invest consistently. Avoid paycheck killer lifestyle creep. That's the 6-step cycle every wealthy person secretly runs. Every paycheck. You don't need a higher salary to feel rich. You need better habits. If you try this on your very next paycheck, you will feel the shift instantly. It's like flipping from survival mode to wealth mode. And 2 months from now, your future self will thank you. Now, let me ask you, what's the very first thing you're going to change on your next paycheck? Drop it in the comments. I'm replying to as many as I can today. And remember, money doesn't make you rich. Habits do. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be among the first to know when the next video drops.